I'm Ty.
I'm Bubba. I'm Molly.
Welcome to Inside the Blizzard Trickshots.
Let's go.
Like the content, smash that like button. That like button will be right there. So yeah, see you guys in the first shot.
This is the Rogers shot. Yeah.
Let's go. That a boy. Yeah, boy. This is the bomb striker shot. That was a close shot. I'm an imaginary dunker. What? This is the bouncer striker shot. And here's attempt number 12,855,671. There goes that one. This is the laser and rocket shot.
Okay, get the ball, Bubba.
I think I hit the fatigue. Ready? Am I going?
Yeah.
This is the laser and rocket shot.
Yeah! 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 Finally! Yeah! Yeah!
This is the most important shot.
How did I miss that? This is the easiest. This is the bouncing bongo shot.
You can do it. Hey guys, if you like that video, smack that like button right there. You'll scroll down, you'll see it right down there. And then if you like that video, remember to hit the subscribe button way up there. Just get another video, you'll see it just right there. We're gonna full screen. So guys, thank you, and we'll see you guys in our next video, which is gonna be a fumble. And it's a fun game. We'll explain it in the video. So we're gonna do it now. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.